Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the platform tools, digital well-being or screen time, then sign into the family account. Once done, create a supervised child profile and save a recovery email and PIN so you don't lose control. Next, set immediate hard limits, daily screen time, a strict bedtime schedule, and age-based content filters. Do these first because they stop harmful exposure and give you breathing room to refine controls later. Make sure to sync devices now so rules apply everywhere. You now refine the middle, detailed app and content rules. First, limit specific apps using 1/2 hour increments or fixed windows to target overused services. Then enforce web restrictions and require purchase approvals so impulsive buys stop at your consent. Make changing settings passcode protected. Once those are active, design daily routines for study, family time, and device-free periods. Enable activity reports and alerts so you can watch trends. This structure reduces negotiation and teaches consistent habits. You finish by reviewing and adapting. Each week, check activity reports and tweak limits based on real usage. This keeps rules realistic and effective. Also, talk with your child, explain the why and agree consequences, because guidance works best with consistency. Model the habits you want to see. If something breaks, first resync devices and verify account links. If issues persist, reset the family PIN or revoke and re-grant app permissions. That usually fixes stray overrides and restores control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.